In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to finance a car with bad credit in the UK. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, before I start this video, I do want to make a disclaimer and say that it is always going to be difficult to be approved for any sort of loan or credit card if you have a bad credit score. Of course, the best way to actually get approved is to improve your credit score slowly until you reach a decent level. However, I know this takes time and maybe you are desperate and need a solution now. So in this video, I'm going to present some options that you have if you have bad credit score and you wish to apply for a car loan. First of all, choose whichever bank you want to apply for. As you can see, I went ahead and I chose HSBC as the car loan bank. And in the bank, you will be able to find a summary page containing details about the car loan that you choose. In here, most websites will have a car loan calculator where you can input how much you want to borrow and how much you want to pay or over how many months you want to pay. And they will give you the total amount that you will have to repay and the monthly payment. It's very important that you always plan ahead and you make sure that you are able to meet this quota, as if you are unable to meet this, your credit score will probably get even lower and you will have more problems on the horizon. So with all of this planned ahead, you will be able to always apply online regardless of which bank you choose, as long as you meet the requirements and you plan ahead according to their information, the credit facilities, and the practice and terms and conditions, you will be able to log into your account and apply. This is free to do, and you will get a response right away, even if you have bad credit. If you still need help, or if you wish to talk to a real person, as you probably want to describe the issues that you are having and why you need a car loan, it's always good to go to a branch and talk to a representative. I hope I was able to help you on how to apply for a car loan with bad credit in the UK. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.